kuita zvinokwanisa kuitika zvatokwanisa kuita kwete kuita stick to the script zvachosisa apply. These are changing times. Yes, I'm a presidential aspirant.
Okay, what's your name?
Phiri. I'm now 39, 22 November, I'm turning 40. So my elections are constitutionally, I'm not there.
My elections are mobile.
Because I'm 39, Auntie. And then 22 November, I'm turning 40.
So what are you doing here?
Yeah, as a politician, Auntie. Though that's the place to be at this particular time, Auntie. To interact, to mix and mingle with others, Auntie. Diplomacy, to do diplomacy. We want realistic to life action, Auntie.
And then Mamchiti Mimi 20,000 I'm my one.
20,000 broadcasting commission is non-partisan and you can incorporate Vanessa footy and pa radio and it.
I want to 20,000 you can raise it.
I can raise it. I'm going to raise a phone number yes auntie. Maria Cheka and put 20,000 in the charity, it doesn't matter. I can raise it. Because I have strong support.
But I'm about to get someone face to you.
Oh, yeah, and to go to the story now, you could 20,000 pesos more. We to a manifesto because my manifesto is as innovative as mobile money transfer project. It's a for a reason. And yeah, just mobile money transfer, yeah, political manifesto. Because it is a perfect system of governance. It go to Zekugo. Or pure 20,000. Vatora theocratic non-partisan ideology. Vai apply nyika yasunungu kaka. Anditi. Pamunozondida admire. Tonyora say treat in a Federal Reserve government.
With 2023 beckoning and the election frenzy in the country becoming more stronger each day, politicians are increasingly becoming visible, making more and more promises.
Primary education from grade 1 to grade 7 must be provided completely free.
Every village, in 3 years, there will be a ball in Orana solar.
Patinongopinda tunhu chekutanga kukudzorera pamakasiwa na Mugabe. Toda kudzorera maticha kwavaiva kwokuti ticha aizikanwa semunhu aitenga zikoti zheadmaster nenyaya yokutanga ane udzamu nejikiniki.
But are these promises going to be fulfilled? The electorate is pondering on who to vote for in the council, parliamentary, and even presidential election. We bring you the candidate where we interrogate their plans, their manifestos, their programs to make sure that we give you information to make a choice on who to vote for. The candidate on Sly Media TV.